back to Princess Beauty TV. I'm back with another TTDEYE contact lens review. So today I am going to be reviewing the contact called Queen Blue. Okay, let me grab it real quick, like, here it go. The Queen Blue, honey. She is gorgeous. I'm letting y'all know that already. I'm going to go try it on. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I got it in my eye so you can see how well it covers my beautiful dark brown eyes. Okay. I will go put the other one in. Okay, I got them both in my eyes. And they look really, really nice. A beautiful blue color. Okay, let me know your thoughts about this beautiful blue contact. And again, it's called Queen Blue by TTDEYE. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up for this review. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.